My shadow. The sun. Look at the pond. Look at the bourbon. It's the bourbon, man. My second goddamn damn. I know I ain't do that, but fuck. I do I know. My second, third old school Chevy, man. Don't mind the dating to right now. Dating's this is gonna get lowered eventually. Probably. And it's still small, but they got some good tires, so you gotta work with it. It's all about working with it. That's what life is about, is working with it. So yeah, man, it's a 96 Chevy Suburban. Yeah, this is, my new old school. I don't know why I wanted a big body family car. Got 130 on it. But yeah, this is what y'all gonna see more videos on. That's why I really got our room back there. Baby got no rust. And it's a hot car. I'm the second owner too. I'm just yapping. I said Navy SEAL. Marine. Don't mind that Navy. I ain't say that. With the barn doors. But yeah, that's why I really got it. Work truck. That's why I need it. It's a work truck, and this is gonna do it for me. I already got the 4 original tires back here. With the spare. Like I said, everything's original with this thing. That's what I like about it. We're stuttering for some reason. Camera shy. But yeah. Got this thing for $1,200. About to get it 10 at the end of this month. The wheels, they in. They working right now. I'm about to take these steps off. I don't like this shit. So I'm about to take off today. I'm wearing dirty ass Crocs, my work Crocs. And get it painted too. I don't like this paint job, but right now I'm working with it still. Like I said, it's all about working with it. So yeah, got this thing for $200. And yeah, I got it with a misfire, and I wasn't thinking that much, but yeah. So I brought it home misfiring. What's wrong with it? It had one of these coils pull out of it. So I got it home, fixed that, and yeah, took it to work. The oil pump shit itself. This bitch had no oil pressure and wiped every bearing in it. So I had to do a motor swap. That's why I got the 350, 355 sim with that terrible paint job I did, because I didn't really care. I just wanted this engine in it so I can drive it. And now look at it, it's here, and it's driving. I still got a couple more things to do with it. Change this coolant sensor, because it got the engine light on, and some other thing. I still ain't fully buttoned up, but I just threw it in there because I got to be somewhere. Thinking about going on a road trip already. So yeah, threw a motor in this thing. I still gotta get the headlight grill. Keep that. I'll probably get another one if I do. Took the side skirts off. You're probably gonna see a video on that. Me fixing this thing up. Or a video of me engine swapping this thing. I haven't figured out if I want to drop that yet on that. But probably. And she gonna get a paint job one of these days. Probably before the winter. Cause I guess maybe. I do want some big wheels on it, but hey, like I said, I'm working with the tires right now. This thing did need some tires. Got that junky stuff today. But this thing still got a warranty too. I'm about to call them up. Hold on. Look, man, I'm gonna have to use a warranty on this thing. I want to show you people what address on that. So yeah, that's what you see. Probably just seen it there, but forget it. We got other stuff. I'm sick, bourbon Tahoe. The usual. Yeah. She needs probably a seat too. Definitely a headliner. Like I said, man, it's my second old school Chevy. I got the Bird and count the Impala, but y'all ain't really see the Impala yet. Definitely a carpet clean. Yeah. G-Lean. And like I said, this is a work truck, and look at it, already getting used. I'm gonna put a transmission back here later today, so yeah. See my and get it tinted too. Well, that one not really getting tinted. All these other ones is. So yeah, man. Let me know how y'all feel, if they want to see us engine swap on this thing or not. Get the chin. can't wait to get side skirts off. It's gonna look way better. Get it painted. And the front end. I'm done. Just like to drive a yacht. Still remind me of San Andreas to listen to this. The horn is so funny, bro. Man. Time capsule. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, look at this big old 42-gallon tank, man. This thing is massive. I will say this thing is never gonna see a full tank unless I'm feeling good, man. Whew! It's gonna be a lot, boy. It's gonna be a lot. I got this music, I can't forget. I know how to end the video with some night clips, man. Look at that thing. Like San Andreas with them wheels, boy. Don't mind my missing headlight. You know, I gotta fix that still. Man, this shit nice, man. It's getting cold out, man. It's October, man. About to hit 300 subscribers, man. I gotta let me know what you want me to do for that 300 subscribers. I still ain't figured out yet, man. I'm saying man a lot, man. There, the back of this thing. I'm not even supposed to be showing this right now because I took the things off. I'm not supposed to be seeing this. And I have a flash onto the main phone too. Yeah, no. I might not exhaustively get it. Fix that. Appreciate y'all for watching. Now let me know how I feel about the dang bourbon, man. Need a lower with them wheels. I'll let y'all get to it, man. Appreciate y'all for watching. Hey, watch some work. Watch the bourbon get big. Big. What do I mean? It's already big. I watch the bourbon change once I get painted on that. Yep. I'm out of here, man. Merry Christmas. I'm sorry, man, but you just gotta love Chevy, man. I'm in love with this damn car. I ain't gonna lie. I'm in love. Man. Alright, done.